So today I'm working on my a mini blue sky project. Is focusing on Star Wars, but we can just do our own topic. Mine is how can we see our reflection in the movie through entertainment. And here's a little brainstorming that I've done. Okay, for the A section, I there are it's basically asks tons of questions, and there are 4 types of questions. The first one's robot question. It's basically a simple question that you can search it up on Google and get an answer. And then it's detective. It's basically asking why is that happening. It's basically asking like, why is the sky blue? And the robot questions like, why is there a sky, or something like that. And then there's a judge and inventor question, which is even harder to ask. So then I did a pitch form that I done something about the product, planning about what should I do for the product. Maybe I'll make 2 maps, one for Star Wars and one for real life, and then do a presentation and something like that. And here's my need to knows. So I wrote, what do they have on Star Wars on Death Star now? I didn't get an answer for that, cause like the movie and the book didn't really explain anything about it. But like, yeah. And this is my action plan. And I wrote something that I know that I'm gonna do so far, which is the pitch form, need to knows, and the planning action plan. Yeah. After a little bit of research, I found out that the Death Star is as big as a moon, and it's basically a weapon, but like, ball shape, and its diameter is 140 to 160 kilometers. Because I mentioned the research part, and now I'm also going to tell you guys about where to find the answers. I usually use Wikipedia, the Star Wars wiki, and also StarWars.com. It's also a really good place. So I decided that my project is gonna be 2 maps. 2 giant maps. One of them is gonna be about Earth, and the other one's gonna be about the Death Star. Yeah, well, it's gonna help me to do the presentation, It's easier to let me show the topic that I'm trying to talk about. So I guess that's also really cool to see what's the similarities and all that kind of stuff.